Greetings, esteemed viewers. Welcome to Health, Fitness and Beauty channel. Here we offer essential information regarding your health, fitness and beauty. Before we continue, I encourage you to like and subscribe to our channel to support our efforts. Your engagement through likes and subscriptions only keeps you informed but will never harm you, and also inspire us to create more valuable content to aid you on your health, fitness and beauty journey. We extend our heartfelt gratitude to our loyal subscribers. And for those who have not yet subscribed, we invite you to do so. In today's video, we will discuss top exercise for an explosive back workout, Montreal weight. Are you looking to build mega upper body strength? Look no further than an explosive back workout. This workout focuses on targeting the upper body, specifically the back muscles, with high intensity exercises to promote muscle growth and strength. What is an explosive back workout? An explosive back workout is a type of upper body workout that focuses on building intense power and strength in the back muscles. This workout typically involves high intensity exercises such as dumbbell rows, pull-ups, pendlay rows, and other exercises that target the trapezius, rhomboids, and lats. Explosive workout versus strength training. What's the difference? Explosive workout and strength training are two types of exercise that target different aspects of physical fitness. Explosive workout focuses on developing power and speed, while strength training is focused on building muscular strength and endurance. Explosive workouts are characterized by exercise that involve quick, accelerated movements with power. This type of exercise aims to increase the rate at which force can be generated, which can improve athletic performance and power output. Explosive workout can be especially effective for athletes who require explosive power and speed, such as sprinters and jumpers. Strength training, on the other hand, is focused on developing muscular strength and endurance through resistance exercise such as weightlifting, bodyweight exercise, and resistance bands. The goal of strength training is to increase muscle size and improve overall strength and endurance. This type of training can be beneficial for a wide range of people, from athletes to individuals looking to improve their overall fitness. The benefit of an explosive back workout. There are benefits to an explosive back workout, and these include increased muscle growth. Explosive back workout targets the muscle include the latissimus dorsi, trapezius, and rhomboids. They promote muscle growth and help to develop a strong, defined upper body. And it also improves posture. A strong, well-developed back helps to improve posture and during exercise or daily activities, and also enhance athletic performance. Explosive back training can also enhance athletic performance by improving upper body strength and power. Reduce risk of injury. A strong back helps to reduce the risk of injury during exercise or daily activities by improving stability and support to the upper body. Before we continue, I encourage you to like and subscribe to our channel to support our efforts. Your engagement through likes and subscriptions only keeps you informed but will never harm you, and also inspire us to create more valuable content to aid you on your health, fitness and beauty journey. Let's look at 9 effective explosive back workouts that works effectively. And number 1 is barbell row. This exercise targets the upper back, including the rhomboids and trapezius muscles. And to perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and bend forward at the waist. Grab a barbell with an overhand grip and lift the weight towards your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body. Lower the weight slowly and repeat. Number 2 is pull-ups. Pull-ups are a great way to build upper body strength and target the lats, biceps, and shoulders. To perform a pull-up, grab a pull-up bar with an overhand grip and pull your body up until your chin is over the bar. Lower your body slowly and repeat. There are various variations of pull-ups, and let's look at the one that will help in the explosive back workout. And this exercise is wide grip variation pull-up. A wide grip pull-up is a more challenging variation of the traditional pull-up exercise that targets the upper back muscles. Incorporating wide grip pull-ups into your workout routine can help improve upper body strength and posture. This exercise primarily works the latissimus dorsi muscles in the upper back, as well as the biceps and forearms, and it is done by grab the pull-up bar with your palm facing away from your body and your hands placed wider than shoulder width apart. Engage your back muscles and pull your body upwards the bar until your chin clears the bar. Then slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position. Number 3 is pendlay row. The pendlay row is a popular variation of the barbell row exercise that emphasizes explosive pulling power and works out several major muscle groups in the upper body. This exercise targets the upper back muscles such as the latissimus dorsi, rhomboids, and traps, as well as the biceps and forearms. And it is done by starting by placing a loaded barbell on the ground in front of you with your feet shoulder width apart. Bend your knees slightly and hinge at the hips while keeping your back straight and your core tight. Grab the barbell with a wide overhand grip. Pull it up to your chest and then lower it back down to the ground. Number 4 is chest supporter dumbbell row. The chest supporter dumbbell row is an effective exercise that targets the upper back muscle, especially the rhomboids and traps. This exercise can be an effective way to isolate the upper back muscle while minimizing strain on the lower back. To perform the exercise, lay face down on an inclined bench with your feet flat on the ground and your chest pressed against the bench. Hold dumbbell in each hand with your palms facing inwards and your arms hanging straight down towards the floor. Engaging your back muscle and lift the dumbbells towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together at the top of the movement. Slowly lower the weight back down to the starting position and repeat for several repetitions. Number 5 is wide grip lat pull down. The lat pull down is a great way to target the lats and build upper body strength, and it is performed by sitting at lat pull down machine with your feet flat on the ground. Grasp the bar with overhand grip and pull it up to your chest, keeping your elbows close to your body. Release the bar slowly and repeat. And the lat pull down variation, and another one to help, is the single lat pull down. This single arm variation lat pull down is a challenging variation of the lat pull down exercise that isolates the latissimus dorsi muscles in one arm at a time. This exercise targets the latissimus dorsi muscle as well as the bicep and forearms. Incorporating the single arm lat pull down into your workout routine can help improve unilateral strength imbalance and increase overall upper body strength. And it is done by sitting at a cable machine with a handle attached to a high pulley. Grasp the handle with one hand and pull it down towards your shoulder, keeping your elbow close to your body and your back straight. Pause at the bottom of the movement and then slowly return the handle to the starting position. Number 6 is T-bar row. This exercise targets the upper back and is similar to the barbell row. To perform this exercise, stand with your feet shoulder width apart and grasp a T-bar with an overhand grip. Hinge at the hips until your back is almost parallel to the floor. Put the weight toward your chest with power, keeping your elbows close to your body. Lower the weight slowly and repeat. Number 7 is deadlift. The deadlift targets the entire back, including the erector spinae, rhomboids, traps, and lats, as well as the glutes and hamstrings. Deadlifts are an excellent compound exercise that not only targets the back but also promotes overall strength and muscle growth. And it's done begin by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and your toes pointing forward. Hinge at the hips and bend your knees and grab the barbell with an overhand grip that's slightly wider than shoulder width. Keep your back straight and your chest lifted as you lift the barbell off the ground using your legs and back muscles. Stand up straight and then lower the barbell back down onto the ground with control. Number 8 is chin-ups. Chin-ups primarily target the upper back, including the lats, rhomboids, and traps, as well as the biceps and forearms. Chin-ups are excellent body exercise that requires minimal equipment and can be performed virtually anywhere. If you are unable to perform a full chin-up, you can start with assisted chin-up or negative chin-ups to build up strength. And it is done begin by hanging from a chin-up bar with your palms facing towards you and your hands shoulder width apart. Engage your back muscles as you pull yourself up towards the bar, keeping your elbows close to your body. Pause briefly at the top of the movement and then slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position. And the number 9, which is the last one, is explosive push-ups. The explosive push-up is a plyometric exercise that focuses on explosive power in the chest. shoulders and triceps muscles. Incorporating explosive push-up into your workout routine can help increase upper body power, improve muscular endurance, and burn fat. To perform the exercise, start in a standard push-up position with your hands shoulder width apart and your feet together. Lower your body down towards the ground and then explosively push your body upwards, lifting your hands. Land softly back in the starting position and repeat for several repetitions. We offer a variety of related videos designed to support your health, fitness, and beauty journey. Our content includes topics such as effective weight loss strategies, easy fat burning techniques, methods to reduce belly fat, dietary tips for maintaining youthful skin, and much more. You can find additional help resources in the description and on our channel page. We encourage you to like, share, and subscribe for further updates. And please share your thoughts in the comment section, as your feedback is invaluable in guiding our content creation. We look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you and goodbye for now.